What up, guys? I'm working on a 2012 Ram 1500. I'm gonna put some Raxiom LEDs for my fog lights. Bought these on it's called AmericanTruck.com. I can put the link in the description down below. Here's what it comes with. It comes with some wiring, some plastic clips. I think everything you need. Got some 10 extra horsepower stickers, and here's the fog light housing. I was thinking about getting some on Amazon. I'd rather go with something like with some I don't know, a name brand. These come with a daytime lighting lights. I do have them on these. I'm thinking about probably buying some blackout ones because it came with the truck when I bought it, and I like these black ones better. So let's start taking this bumper off. I think you gotta take off the grill off, the headlights off, and then the bumper cover. And then you get to the fog lights. So I'm gonna start taking these off right now. Start ripping these out. After that, you take it off. Now you take out these 10s to take up the grill. All right, the grill's off. Now you can take out these 10s on the headlights. And then back here, there's a clip. And I'll show you when I take it off. You go through here, there's a clip, I think up or down to remove the headlights. All right, remove both headlights. This is the clip I was talking about. You just need to go up with it, down to put back on. So now I think I'm gonna take out these 10 right here, then take out all these clips right here, and maybe it will pop off. And then there's the clips here you gotta push in to pull it out. From let's see, here, there, and then here and here. Then I'm gonna take that 10 off and see what it does. I took the ones off on the side. Now I think you gotta take these off right here on the bottom side. They're 10 millimeters. And that's pretty much it to take off the front fascia. This is the real bumper right here. Now is to find a way to remove these. I'll just squeeze those. I'm gonna disconnect this. If I can with the one hand, I'll just pull it out for now. Then squeeze those tabs inwards. And there's another one back here. Let's see, I can pull it out. And that's pretty much how you take the factory one out. And let's do the same thing as the other side. All right, I did one side already. Well, basically you just grab these new clips, clip them on, then you clip this one on over here. You can feel it clip on, and then you grab the square looking one, put it in here like so, and then you grab your Phillips. It's hard to do with one hand. Just grab my Phillips, just screw it down. Now we're ready to put it into the vehicle, onto the Ram. They give you an extra wiring harness. You don't have to use this. Let me see if it fits with the factory. And then this yellow one is for the daytime running lights. They give you that. And plus I use some dielectric greaser on the connector on the factory wiring harness. Now I'm gonna put it back on, show you guys in a bit. All right, guys, these are the new ones. They don't even do anything. They don't even clip on. Oh, now they want to clip on now. It's pretty easy to pop out. So I reuse the factory ones. I just heat up the bowl a little bit to go into the new one. I'll see if it fits now. It sits. With the new ones, they didn't want to stay in. So that's what you have to do with these ones now. Yeah. Then it'd be easy to think. The same thing is to readjust the back. Like I think the adjustments down here. I don't know. You can see the Phillips screwdriver. If it focus right there, and then just reconnect your light. I'm gonna connect it and see if it turns on. It's daytime right now. It's on. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Do the same thing. Then I'm gonna wire up the daytime running light right here. Alright, I'll let you guys know. Got the wire right here. I'll put dielectric greaser right there. And these aftermarket headlights have a parking lights right here. I just dielectric grease the crap out of it and then just tie it here for now. If it doesn't connect right, so I'll just cut it and then crimp it and then shrink it down the road. Probably gonna take the headlights off if I get the black housing. Same thing I did over here, and here's that wire. It goes over here and then there, and goes into here. All right, you can't really see the lights are on, but the daytime running lights is on right now. Probably do a video during the night. All right, put the front fascia back on, bumper cover. There's the fogs, how they look. I just take that off. I'm gonna put in a different emblem. I'm gonna show it when it's dark out. All right, guys, here's with my headlights on, and I got the fog lights. I'm gonna turn them off. Kind of see a little bit of the daytime running lights. Here's the fog lights. I don't really see a huge difference on these versus LED bulbs with your stock fog lights. Yeah, I'm gonna go outside. You can see how they look. I do really like how they look. Daytime running lights on the box. I just need to change the headlights to the black housing. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. Have a nice day, night, weekend. Drive safe and stay dirty.